All right, hi guys. This is lesson 6.5, assignment 1. For this assignment, you have 10 problems where all you're doing is looking for the slope of the line. So remember that slope is the steepness of a line. The way it's tilted is sometimes how we describe it, the incline of the line, whether that goes up or down. That would be part of understanding the types of slope that you have. So remember, a line that goes up is a positive slope. A line that goes down, again from left to right on both of those, is a negative slope. If you have a slope of a line that looks like that, which is horizontal, that is a slope that we call a zero slope. Its value is equal to 0. And then we have lines that are vertical, and so their slopes look like this. And so we call these undefined. And remember, back in class, when we would try to do that, your calculators would tell you error when we would use maybe the stat feature on the calculator. Today, because I know that you don't always have those calculators, I am going to find the slope by hand. Sometimes my students think it's a little bit faster. But again, if you have your calculator, your graphing calculator, downloaded on your phone, you can always do the stat feature on that. Okay, so on all of these, we have labeled 2 pretty corners for you. And so that is hopefully going to make this easier for you. So remember that when we find slope, or m, in the equation y equals mx plus b, here's what we're looking for, okay? We can use rise over run, which is something that you have practiced all through middle school. And so what you're going to do is put your pencil I'm going to use the lower point here, and I'm going to count up 1, 2. I always like to put my arrow up 2 so that I remember that that becomes a positive 2. This becomes my rise. Over. And then I'm going to count across right where I finished off. 1, 2. So I'm moving to the left 2. And so remember that when we move to the left, that equals a negative. So -2, telling me I'm moving to the left. And so if I reduce this, 2 divided by -2 equals -1. Now, this is an important step, this negative symbol, because I have to match the type of slope that I see here. It has to be one of these 4. Because my line is falling from left to right, I know that this is a negative slope. And so therefore, my answer is C.